Hey, what's up everybody? Average Guy DIY here. We're still Ubering ourselves to debt freedom and we're starting a new journey today. I know I've been gone for a while. We are starting the process to learn to weld. The dream is to become a welder, work in welding for a few years and open my own custom car shop. But the first step is learning a trade. CK Supply, welding equipment and gases. We're gonna pick up the stuff that we need for school. Spend money to make money, right? Here is the list. We're gonna get the better package. It's got an auto darkening hood, the TIG gloves too. Hell yeah, in about 6 months, I'm gonna be a bona fide motherfucking welder, bitches. Got this Miller welding hood here. Let's check it out. This is for school tomorrow. Look, I am your father. Good morning, friends. As I head into this first day of welding school, I just want to kind of give you guys an idea of my mood. Of course, there's anxiety because I'm walking into something that I have no fucking clue what the fuck is going to go on. There's excitement because it's something cool that I'm interested in, that I want to learn about. I told my friends I want to be a doctor of metal. I want to know everything it's made of, how they bond together. Too much coffee, obviously, and I'm running 10 minutes late. So therefore, it's going to be a wonderful first day because I don't know what the fuck's going to happen. The first day, we already failed a little bit. We went to the wrong place for class, so we're going to be 11 minutes late. Yay! 10 minutes late, we're walking up to the correct building that my class is in. That's it right there. We'll see how it goes. And we're here. It begins. Hey, can you tell me what room the welding class is in?
It's in room 110.
110. All right, thanks. Got to get directions. Don't know where the hell I'm going. Sweet. 110's right around the corner, I guess. Is this it?
By yourself. Go past this